Remember I just asked you to do Miley Cyrus before?
Oh, he's twerking.
Oh,
that's funny.
some guy before said, oh, he's twerping. Sticks, man, twerping, huh? I know, that was funny. Show him how you shimmy, Sticks. Ready? Oh.
Okay.
Go ahead. What are you looking for? Sticks, what are you looking for in there? There ain't nothing in there. Sticks, that's mine. That's my money. What are you getting? Oh, all right. Yeah, Sticks is all handmade. I make these all by hand. You want to get a good close picture of? I make them all by hand out of my old clothes and out of wood and out of Fimo. You guys ever use Fimo in school or anything? It's that clay you bake for a half an hour at 220 degrees. That's why I do the head, hands, and feet out of. And I do his body out of wood. See? And then I use my old clothes for his outfits. I was a lot smaller then, you know?
Let me see him dance one time.
Go ahead, Sticks. Smooth it out. Go ahead. Got me working, Dan.
Break it down.
You're doing a swim? What? You can do that one tomorrow when it's raining.
This ain't gonna rain the whole week.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Tomorrow's gonna be nice. The rest of the week.
I heard Tuesday, Wednesday,
Yes,
Thursday.
tomorrow's Monday.
Oh wait, tomorrow's Monday. I know, I got my days all messed up. Right? It was the other day, it was Monday, and I was like, hey, have a nice weekend to someone. And I'm like, oh. But that's a good thing, man. When you don't know what day of the week it is. You know?
They go by fast.
Yeah.
This minute be weekend.
And these guys get to see the pup. How long he's been here? But here's Rusty the pooch.
That's a giant puppy.
Oh yeah, they don't go in that. He just acts alone. This one, you know. Hey, Russ. That's a good boy. He's all hand sculpted too, you know. The head was made out of tin foil, and then I used Fimo to do the rest of his. The head will be the muscle. Got two marbles in his eyes. See his tongue? Look at his tongue.
What did tongue made out of?
The tongue is made out of the recessed rubber that was in the brush I was using to brush him. I keep it with me in the bag. I think it's in the far away pocket, Rick. I should keep that out close because way in the back. Yeah, that should be the pocket. Oh no, not that pocket, maybe the middle one. Sounds like we're playing a game of pool. Oh, the side pocket. No. The center one, yeah, all the way down.
There's a lot of pocket.
There you go. Thanks, Rick. See, this is the... You see that?
I see.
And that was what I used. Here's the nice fresh piece. That was perfect color and everything, you know? Made of rubber. It was perfect.
So you tore that off pretty.
Yeah, I put a blow dryer on it to get it off nice and even, you know?
Yeah.
He don't bite. Yeah, bud. No, if you ain't good to him, I don't bring him to you.
So it should be easy and not to press this button. That's so funny.
I think it's very strict.
Rusty, play dead. That's my easiest trick.